Hey guys, here's a quick review about Mandrill Mayhem. Did you know the prize for the best new attraction goes to World of Jumanji? Mandrill Mayhem is the first inversion of Chesington World of Adventures, which has been named Britain's Best Theme Park at the UK Theme Park Awards 2023. What a launch of Mandrill Mayhem! Sweeping riders at full speed of 45 miles per hour through treetops on a thrilling adventure, spiraling up the summit of 55 feet Jaguar Shrine. Taking the layout forwards and backwards makes the ride extremely thrilling, especially through inversion, which also offers some incredible air time. For the first time ever, Chesington has introduced virtual queuing for Mandrill Mayhem, so you don't have to physically queue up. The theme that surrounds the Mandrill Mayhem, combined with effects and audio, creates a really fun and thrilling experience. Overall, Mandrill Mayhem has exceeded expectations and fits perfectly at Chesington. What are your thoughts about new wing coaster? Let me know in the comments. Cheerios!